Today we're going to talk about pattern and create a witch's feet or some sort of feet project. You will have a tray at your table. You're going to have some stocking pieces, some pattern pieces, and 4 different shoe tracers, and some black crayons for the end. Alright, you will also have scissors and pencils. You're going to wind up picking the color background paper you want. Pick your shoe. You got boots, sneakers, some little shoes, witch's feet, and then pick your color shoe. Lots of choices. And trace which one you want. It's like a little ballerina slipper or a witch's foot. I think I'm going to do the witch's foot because I like the curviness of it. So you're practicing your tracing skills. You need to cut out 2 shoes. So I'm actually going to take another piece of paper and hold it together with this one. If this is too tricky, just cut out 2 shoes separately. You do need 2 shoes. You're always practicing your cutting skills, trying to stay on the line the best you can, taking your time. Okay, now I've got 2 shoes. You can decide which way you want them to go. And now I'm going to pick out my stocking color, or my leg color, or my sock color, whatever you want to call these. I'm going to pick green. And now you've got to glue them down. They are bigger than the paper, and I'll show you what to do. So you're going to get some glue, and you will practice your gluing skills. No puddles. Just a little scribble scrabble on the back of the shoe. Very light line, no puddles. And press it on the bottom, somewhere close to the bottom of the paper. Now I'm going to glue on my legs. And I'm not going to glue all the way up because it's going off the paper and I'm going to wind up cutting that. So just do a little bit of glue. And now cut off the extra. And if you still need to add more glue, like this, then add more glue. Oop, that one's good. Okay. Now you're going to pick out your pattern pieces, whatever patterns you want. It could go A, B, if you want it to. I think I'll do an ABC pattern. A 1, 2, 3. So purple, yellow, white. Purple, yellow, white. And keep going. A pattern is something that repeats. I'm going to do the same one for my other leg. Purple, yellow, white. Purple, yellow, white. Once you find all your pieces, you got to slide them off very carefully. Like this. Slide it off. And scribble scrabble a little bit of glue. Again, just a little bit of glue. And put them back on top. Keep them in the right order. Purple, yellow, white. Purple, yellow, white. If you want to do a pattern with 4 colors, that's fine too. Whatever you want to do. Same thing on the other leg. This project is all about pattern and practicing tracing, cutting, and gluing. Okay, next. You may add a skirt if you would like. If you just want to keep them as legs, that's fine too. I'm going to add a skirt to this one. So you've got some black paper here. And your skirt could just be like this. It could be a pencil skirt, which is totally fine. But if you want to, you can draw your own skirt. So angle up And then you could do a zigzag line at the bottom, a wavy line. It could be straight. Doesn't really matter. And carefully cut on the line, practicing your cutting skills. The only thing you want to make sure when you glue this on, scribble, scrabble a little bit of glue. And then I want to make sure that your skirt is completely covering the top of the legs. Don't let the stockings peek out from the top. Make sure it's hiding it there. The very last part of this project is to get the black crayon, draw your floor, and then if you would like, you can add some spiders in your picture. Just a circle and color it in. And spiders have 8 legs, 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll add another spider down here. You don't have to add the spiders if you don't want to. Have fun creating some patterned legs.